right, we're ready.
Yeah. Today we worked on one stepping, or as Stefan mentioned, is sometimes called ballrooming. And that was to practice the stuff we talked about before, staying on balance, connecting the frame to the body, so that you're moving as one piece with your feet right under you. We talked about practicing walking where you're always fully on balance. You're never like falling onto your next step. You're really intentional about like what foot you're on. Yeah. So we did we did one loop in class, loop of choreography with some one-stepping moves, and it was like this.
So, cutting your steps by 2/3, small steps.
Really small steps.
And sending each step, sending your center first, so your foot lands right under you. We did
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go right back into 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna get too close.
Start it over again.
So that's a loop that we did in class.
Did I get all that?
Yeah, that was good.
Great. Yeah. Again, steps right under your body.
Very small
So
step.
see a lot of people stepping outside themselves. If your weight is split, it means before you do the next move, you have to get back on balance before you move again. So
Yep.
we're trying to cut that step out and keep your steps nice and small. The distance between your steps is tiny. Start with that, and then they'll naturally adjust to whatever size you need.
Yeah, and if you think about it, if you don't know which foot you're on, your partner definitely doesn't know which foot to be on. So yeah, being clear about which foot you're on, where your weight is, that's really helpful for someone you're dancing with. So yeah. Yep.
Yeah, really committed, really intentional and assertive.
Yep, and we talked about, especially in that twisty move, that you have to go kind of sink down into it because you're going to do a little bit of an up-down through that hop step. And also that you want to bring your shoulders with your hips. So you're doing your shoulders parallel to your partner through that.
With some follows, this arm was a little tense, so we're going to keep the frame relaxed so we can adjust the shape of the frame, but our bodies still have this parallel interface. Yep.
Oh, and we talked about...
always on one foot or the other, not splitly.
Yeah, we talked about doing these little touches where you're actually moving your center just a teeny bit to get your partner to match that, and just do these taps, as opposed to doing them like without moving your center, then your partner can't feel them, or committing too much so that there's a full step. We want to like experiment with how much to move your center so that you get that tap. That's a lot.
That's a lot. Surely we covered everything. Did you want to do the advanced sequence?
And then this was the other sequence we were going to do, might still do, I don't know. It started from here.
One.
Nope.
Sorry.
It didn't just start.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 and 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then you go right back into it. Yeah. Anyway.
Wow.
So that was a loop, and you can do the first loop by itself, or the second loop by itself, or you can make it into a big loop. So yeah, that was our day. Thanks everybody, you're great.
Thank you, that was fun.